Hello everybody and welcome your faces back to another Crypto Jet video, where today we're going to be talking about Polygon, or Matic, or newly known as Polygon. We're going to do a little quick technical analysis and show you what's actually happening with this coin. Now, Matic, they used to be Matic, now they're currently Polygon. We already discussed their, fundamentals in our previous video, but today we're just going to do a little rundown of how it's actually looking and this massive exponential growth it's been leading in the past few months, right? So this point right here, you can see is the 25th April, where the price was at about 35 cents and its all-time high was at about $2.7, forming a strong level of resistance up here around the $2.5 mark. Psychologically, of course, it's a very viable point. Now, why has Matic been growing so tremendously, and what do I expect for it in the future? We can see that the price actually reached its all-time high for the first time about 10 days ago or so, 20th of May 2021. It lingered up for a second and then did a steep dip all the way down into the sub-dollar range with the fall of Bitcoin, with Elon Musk's tweet, with basically the majority of the community just taking profits at all of these points. Because as you can see, even though the growth was sort of regular, right? You can see higher highs, higher lows. It's still a huge increase in the price, right? So everybody who bought this coin here, anyone who bought here, or even before, right, one of these prices, they all wanted to take profits at some point, because they were all 2, 3, 5, 10, 15 times even for some people in profit on this coin. As people start to take profits, they very simply drive the price down pretty hard. The stronger they take profits, the more they exit the market, the more the price will fall and the more drastic it will be. Now, the correction somewhat helped this, or actually stimulated it, because more and more people started to sell, and then there was a sort of panic, a sort of fear in the market. So even more people started to sell, dropping the price down to the sub-dollar range, where we can find a zone of support at this point. Now, the coin is currently consolidating between its all-time high level and this area right here. We can see another important zone of resistance up here. So for the future, definitely I see Matic being somewhat in this zone for the time being, until the bull run continues. Once it continues, we can see a very nice little clear break of this area and a move towards a new all-time high, since it's actually being used in applications at this point, unlike coins such as Cardano, for example. So Matic is a direct competitor to Ethereum. Cardano has a very, very nice project, but they are not currently there yet. They don't really have a working system out. Of course, once they do, it's going to be huge, but currently they don't. Matic is a very, very strong competitor to Ethereum, so I do not see it falling down in any sense. We can see this blue moving average line. I believe that's the SMA. That is the 50 period moving average, which has acted as sort of a zone, a bounce zone in the past. As you can see, we hit it down below. We hit it once again here and sort of caused some bullish movement. So I fully expect this as we intersect with the moving average of the 50 period, it's going to do a nice little push, because this consolidation is quite a nice one. And obviously what we can see currently is somewhat of a higher high and higher low situation, and we're hoping that it's just going to continue. But in the worst case, I see it consolidating for a little bit more, because there's still more people who haven't taken profits, right? There's a lot of people who bought in way before the coin did even anything. So the 20-cent range, let's say, and they're probably still holding, right? People who actually believe in the project long term. Now, that would be it for Matic. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like the new chart layout, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know, and I might change it in the future. Thanks for joining in for another video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.